this map is of Europe, showing which direction a raindrop would fall depending on which part of the continent it's on. So you can see this really interesting line of all of this ends up in the Mediterranean, whereas all the blue ends up not in the Mediterranean. This is a very similar map where it's showing the watersheds of Europe. And I think this is super interesting because look at how many different ones there are. And then there's some that are really, really big. It's like you zoom in on Italy and you can just see how mountainous Italy really is, because each one of these, breaking it apart, is going to be a mountain range or something that's going to cause it to watersheds to split and go one direction or another. And then you start to understand better in World War II how come it was so hard for the Allies to take Italy. But I do think that is super interesting, where within a few feet on the top of these mountains, if rain falls over on one side, it'll end up in the Baltic or the North Sea, overall the Atlantic. Or if it hits this side, it'll end up in the Black Sea or the Mediterranean, and then probably eventually also the Atlantic. But I do love a good map. I mean, look at that.